in the boat.
We are very lucky to have a Yanmar engine from 1972. When you ask it to start, starts like a dream. But sometimes it just suddenly stops.
To fix it, I located the problem to be the rounds per minute, which was set too low. The manual is written in Swedish, French and German, which didn't help me at all. So I gave a quick call to the Yanmar service center, which is located in Finland. After some time talking to Yanmar on the phone, we located the problem to be a lower rim setting, which is actually all adjusted out here in the cockpit. And was able to take these bits apart, and it turned out that the knot was this one, so I just been giving it 6 turns backwards, and I could see the cable down in the engine has actually moved in the right direction. Finally, now to the moment of truth. Yeah. So if this has worked at all, our throttle will automatically go back to neutral without it cuts out on its own. Works. The previous owner told us the stove is not working and we need to buy a new one. I spent a good 10 hours trying to fix it, but it didn't really seem to work. And at the minute, I'm really pulling my hair out.
So David doesn't know how to fix this, but I do. All you need to do is just connect the hose from the gas that's sitting in the cockpit to the back of the stove. And guess what? I fixed it. In strong winds, Norma's front sail come out on its own. We spent a little time trying to figure out what the problem is, and the G-knoll is not the issue. In order to fix the front sails, I walked down through the line where it comes to the end here and sits in a frog leg. It turns out that the frog leg is not a problem. I thought that the frog leg is probably too old or is very rusted and cannot hold the line properly. But the solution actually is the lock in which the line just before the frog leg sits in and comes through. That lock is sitting a little higher. All you need to do is just put it a little lower so that the pressure on the line is taken away and it doesn't pop out of the frog leg and the front sails sit perfect.